Hello students, warm welcome to video learning lecture. My name is Aashish Gohel. Today I will be teaching you very shortcut method to find out nth derivative of the given question. Yes, I will teach you that how to solve nth derivative in just 3 seconds. So let us do that. So I am given this equation f of x is equal to 3x raised to 20. We want 10th derivative of this question. So the answer will become 3 raised to 10 20p 10 permutation and x raised to 10. Yes, this is your answer. Let us do for next question. We want f of x is equal to 3x minus 2 whole raised to 15, fifth derivative of x. So how will we do this? Here 3 raised to 15, then 15p 5, 3x minus 2 raised to 10. This will become your final answer. So, isn't it very easy? Yes. Let us check how you can solve this kind of questions in just 3 seconds. I am having one formation, say f of x is equal to x raised to n. We want nth derivative of this given function. So the formation will become f(r(x) is equal to n p r x raised to n minus r. Permutation. The n permutation r, and on the power of x we will subtract these two numbers. Now if only x is given, then you can apply this formation. If any linear equation is given in terms of x, then we can have f of x is equal to say ax plus b whole raised to n. Then nth derivative of this question will become a raised to r. Whatever coefficient of x is there, that coefficient raised to this number nth derivative. Then again we will follow the same procedure, npr, and this whole equation ax plus b raised to subtraction of these two numbers. So this is the shortcut formation to find out nth derivative of this kind of polynomial function. Isn't it very easy? Yes. So note it down, this formation, and we can verify these answers with this one. So look at this, how I solve these questions. Here if you observe, this coefficient is there, okay? So this coefficient is 3. So 3 raised to 10, okay? Then 20 permutation 10 according to this formation. Now next is x raised to n minus r. So x raised to 20 minus 10, that is 10, okay? Here 3 raised to 15 because coefficient of x is 3. Then npr. So here 15p 5. Then next whole equation, that means 3x minus 2 raised to 15 minus 5, that is 10. So that is very easy method. Hope all of you understand this well. So if you like this, if you understand this well, then do practice and do share this video with your classmates. Thank you so much.